Hello everyone, welcome back to the CATHAY Pacific Fleet Updates YouTube channel here with me, Roberto Montico Ignacio speaking, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Hui. And today we will be talking about a CATHAY Pacific Airbus A350-900 that flew to Xiamen this morning for maintenance. So this aircraft is registered by Lima Romeo Foxtrot, and then she took her flight number 63820, as you can see it here. And then she had a great circle distance of 496 kilometers. Then she had an actual flight time 57 minutes and a chop 25 degrees, as you can see it here. So this aircraft took off the southern runway at exactly 4:50 a.m. local time in Hong Kong. Then she landed at runway 05 at Xiamen Gate at exactly 5:50 a.m. local time in Xiamen. She's currently in the HAECO's hangar in Xiamen, so that she will have maintenance there, and she will unlikely get her larger titles, like what she did to the 777 that she had the ER and the cargo fleet and the non-ER of the 777. So, for the details of Robert's Lima Romeo Foxtrot, kindly check the previous video about this aircraft. So, that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Or you may check the description down below. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. So by me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Hui. Bye guys and see you in the next update.